Congratulations on completing the video series on the Introduction to the Move language. Throughout this series, we covered various fundamental concepts of Move, providing you with a solid foundation to explore further into the world of blockchain development. We covered Move syntax, data types, variables, references, structs, resources, functions, control flow structures, and more. But remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. The Move language is at the forefront of blockchain innovation, and its potential is limitless. As you move forward, consider exploring more advanced topics that really showcase the incredible capabilities of Move's resource-oriented programming. The Move language opens doors to building secure, scalable, and decentralized applications. Stay curious, embrace the challenges, and always keep learning. There's a vibrant community of developers and enthusiasts who are passionate about Move and blockchain technology, so don't hesitate to join forums, attend meetups, and collaborate on exciting projects. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the Move language. If you ever have any questions, you could always reach out to me on X, formerly Twitter.